In this tutorial, I'm going to show you about a tool that is built into the iPad called Spotlight. In the previous tutorial, I talked to you about what these little dots at the bottom of your screen mean, and that those indicate what page you're on. But then I also hinted to you that that one on the far left is actually not a dot, but a search glass or a magnifying glass, which is a universal symbol for searching. Spotlight is our search engine for our iPad, and to get there we can do it a number of ways. If we're on our first page, we can swipe our finger to the right and it will automatically jump us to Spotlight. Or if we're on our first page, we can tap our home button one time and that will take us to the Spotlight. If we tap our home button again, which you saw me do earlier, it takes us right back to our first home screen. So let's go to Spotlight and see how it works. Notice that you have an insertion point and then you have your keyboard up, so it's waiting for you to put information in. I'm going to type a sample here. I'll type drop. And the reason I typed drop is I have several results for that particular word, so it'll help a little bit to understand how it works. Spotlight can be customized in your settings so that you can search lots of different things. By default, it's going to search your apps, your contacts, and I believe your emails as well. But then you also can search the web or search Wikipedia, which is an online encyclopedia. So when I typed that word in, the first thing that popped up for me was apps that I have installed on my iPad. So if I were to tap that app, it's going to launch it. I don't even need to know where that app is located on my computer, or on my iPad, excuse me. If I know that I'm going to want to launch it and I don't know where it is, I can simply type it in my Spotlight and then select it from the list and it launches it for me. Now remember I said you can customize your Spotlight. Mine is set right now to only search my apps. I'm not interested in it searching my email or contacts or those kinds of things. But in the settings you can set your Spotlight to search a variety of areas, so you'll want to make sure you go in and take a look at that. If I were to, just to finish this off, if I were to click search web, then it's literally going to go out on the internet, take the word drop, put it into a search engine and give me my results. So Spotlight can be really cool. It can be a great tool for a number of things. First, finding stuff on your iPad, and second, actually doing research out on the internet. Quick reminder of how I got to my Spotlight. When you're on your first page, you can either swipe to the right or tap your home button. That will take you to the Spotlight and you can begin searching.